Hi! In front of me is Nokia XR20 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nokia. Firstly, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Over here you need to type DevCheck and download this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. From this app you can find out all the informations about your Nokia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!